This is like the Tennessee Valley Authority's baby.
Llegando.
According to my driver's license, I'm 6'10" and I don't feel nothing here. Look at that, amazing. Hey, Captain, when was the last time you saw an alligator here?
Last weekend.
There we go. Come on, let's go! Yes! Yeah! Need it again. I know it's chocoaventura, cabrón. Let's go! Yeah! Come on! Come on, baby! Come on! Wisam, next time, Dubai, cabrón. Next time we go Emirates, all the way. On you. Because we ain't paying nothing. The Saudis gonna pay. We got the best captain ever, Cameron, right here, huh?
Yeah!
Thank you so much, Cameron. Thank you.
Yeah!